igego kwarigania ase intake ya January EU ebwata chikosi ao bunabono agricultural and environment studies, mechanical and automotive engineering, refrigeration and air conditioning, welding and fabrication na wigo ase ensema ya building and civil engineering nkwegeli bale plumbing, masonry, carpentry and joinery, building technology, civil engineering na wigo water engineering ase ensema ya computing and informatics nkwegeli bale ICT operator, ICT technician, computer packages, cyber security na wigo na network system administration ase ensema ya electrical and electronic engineering nkwegeli bale electrical installation na wigo electrical engineering ase ensema ya cosmetology nkwegeli bale hairdressing wigo mbabwate fashion design ase hospitality and tourism nkwegeli bale food production yani cookery na wigo food and beverage production.
Asa Marieta Ngorogu James Barari Nyakundi e principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College eye gotoka Limongoni, Kitutu Masaba North Sub-County, Kitutu Masaba Constituency, Nyamira County. Abana baino bali ba college school cha class 8 gose form 4 batagiye universities acha teyo babere isiko ekiagera boniga se Kitutu Masaba ntobwate chikose zicheme kono cy'ububundi cyonsi. Abana ngwakana bali kibese ne serikali wetera the government scholarship nkwaye bali chiloni cyo gosoma wetera help higher education loans board ne kibese cyo mwana nkwaye wale kiri kitokoroka out of pocket ekyo mwana gotumia ko menye school urendagera na gwakane se nyomba komenya egento kende abana nkwaye bali chi constituency bursaries and even county government bursaries ekyo applications chirororo n'ababunge bunabono mu bungo Kitutu Masaba constituency bwana honorable Clive Gisairo we are committed sana aso support abana bagocha Kitutu Masaba egende Tanganyika tabiri nga mwana ndo kwense gocha Kitutu Masaba wekawe bursary in full inta abana baito January intake n'agendereta abana bali bakoze school January mwakaribishwe ndogendereta na intake na application sinchigendereta
asamange nabo okubatalira ase school yiga kose obakirisi migwetara sinamba cyabo 0743480999 kose 0782490068.
Kegimana inde mwancha omurigerera bwegetasine kya Getembe nigo cyaragire Chinsa Ikomi chinga kitwikira semesa y'Ekeonga tokomanye amajya buna abeire kago twikira emesa y'itogo iganje nguru kwa Caterine Nyaboga Vanessa Nyaboga kuraso muno abo imanyerero Mike kuri studio kabere nero koneke muna chibichechiga nabo iga Mario gingo ikirara senchira ereye wikirano ekaranso ke obena intugoika omwero natogo chaka nigo amate yomugaka kaunda kuruha ikinyoro kia mariba yasokire na korera mwana wabongo munyaruka oyo cheta senseri ya Iraki kwerigeria korende asegesie kebe agasiria obugima imeyense yo asebona besokire na goteba nigo baganira nge chishiringi milioni ya monu gutesano eri mubere we amate yo osobo munyaruko yo onyare guika imeyense ya Kenya kukwano mubasorero nigo basabire abara nabo igabantu bari no moyo bugwanja kwasokya nako bakonya konyora chibese cyo eriyo umubero yo nyara guika imeyensi ya Kenya.
Samarieta Ngorokurecho Kennedy nkani ngabo gekamariba aki ngongo sabanga kamuranja abantu bamuto mwana naro no kuferista kemito kaunda oyo cheta sense ya Irani korigiria bana baye mwana uyu gari wetega iga akagenda agakora emyaka ebere kera akora emyaka ebere posi yaye kamutebi amenta omwaka oyomo kera mwamereri akaratiga amenta omwaka oyomo akamenta omwaka oyo oyomo oyo akorete bono emyaka 3 akorete tarehe 4 kangana riachete iga mwana uyu iga agansa aichenka mutosi yaye akamukani akamutebi pera agamba kemitinyi 5 umaye gocha gokoendaka akamukani akamutera abana bana umwana nimbato ya murwalite wena achite kurigirira bungo cha koro bakamererania agateba ngo temande egero na chire ticket ngendenga mwana agatuma kere gento kiriango cha gutuma akabanga chipagi chiaye wane kere ticket ya chaiche umutosi yegenda akorete akamutesa we ticket nge akagenda gachikorage ugo tira stairs mama na butukanira amaguru na kire stairs gutira gucheka robaiko kamutebigende ni gitari gateba ngo chandi nche ko genda ni gitari mwana iyo berire gabo amatuka yetatu kera bera amatuka 3 talembiri gatoga kwana nere elindale 30 yani talembiri toga kwana nere kera toga kwana nere nganyoro mwana urumemiro jiri mu ntakunyara kwana ngo mutemo ko muri ni gitari atema mama nikikucha ndandosi ewe kasasta ya botuko akairu nyagitari na ngina nero jite kumuhira mudosi atamuhirite akanya gitari akabekirwa oxygen akabekwa isi kuruga buntu anagokwana no mwana one goikirego obere ko talembiri bakaboni umwana ngaterwa tale 13 umwana okule bakonya kongena ngatale 15 goika ko bwenara ichenga mwana no okule kamuranze abantu bamutanga kumule siro kiro kora
Kitwari kusaba chibesa kusaba 1.5 million mechi nyingi ikenere karata metoko changana to 60,000 kitwari kusaba political class cha kerno mheshimiwa itomo MC Richmond mayagi mugara jori twando mabungo ito Anthony Kibagendi mosene ito Richard Onyonka momoima oyo mongina mugimerere Dori Saburi abayo no mugabo no ito kwa ujumla na bali bonse bagoche kolgibiro gevi 2027 agitwasabira bakonye bwino matakonye tale atomo birbo mwana tunyako batako mainu saboga ntatema komo ibu try 60,000 chioka tete tabakonye wakera nchera akitakonye
Mukonyi w'umurayi w'ensi ya Kenya Professor Pram Kithure Kindiki mambiri tukorea rero nigo aikirana asomojiga bukubikira abobisa ba Kenya Wildlife Service eguto mojiga okorekana ime ya manyani kaunti ya Taita Taveta na nigo raonere umoske Professor Pram Kithure Kindiki okwana asekerekyo umoske Kindiki nigo akwanira ali abobisa abo barache gokora nabo yo kubaganira amaya asemiremo bashakire bona.
To the 147 cadet officers graduating today, you are now equipped with requisite operational leadership and technical competencies necessary to address emerging threats in wildlife protection, environmental security, and natural resource governance in Kenya. You now join a noble tradition of service. Carry it with pride, serve with integrity, protect our wildlife, support our communities, defend our natural heritage. The government stands firmly behind you, your welfare, your training, your housing, and your mission. As I look at you today, I see the future of conservation in Kenya. Therefore, I want to take this opportunity to congratulate all of you and to wish you well in your career. To secure this heritage, the government is establishing a world-class national wildlife protection and anti-poaching modernization framework. We are integrating elite ranger units, intelligence-led operations, AI-enabled surveillance, drones, satellite-linked patrol systems, and modern command and control network across our protected areas. we are strengthening cross-border cooperation to dismantle international wildlife crime networks and establishing a national wildlife forensics and intelligence center to fight poaching with science and precision. We are also investing in the people who stand on the front line.
Murai yokane wensi umukoro moske Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta na munyakirogo bw'ekiama kiria gia KANU moske Gideon Moi uyoboye igoro mu Vice Chancellor ase University ya Kabarak mambiri tkurera ero nigo bekirana asomo yega bwe 21 bokobekera aboroki wa University eyo chigotwa moske Uhuru nigaro baseme gochia saboroki wabo nakabore abatware chimbwa chingia ne mono chinga kibaso ase chiro koriga mabaga yemirimo nengana yegwa okoboko no moske Gideon Moi.
To you, my young friends, the graduates of 2025, you are stepping into a globalized world. The foreign languages program, international conferences and symposia that you have participated in gives you a competitive edge. I ask you to carry the name of Kenya and Kabarak University proudly wherever you go. Excellence must be your daily habit. The discipline of integrity, consistency, and service. Let this be your hallmark as ambassadors of this institution. Your skills are not just for personal advancement, they are for nation building. The programs that you have pursued here, from STEM to law, from education to business, are directly aligned with these national priorities. As you step out, remember that you are the builders of Kenya's today, not just tomorrow. Graduates, today you step into a world full of possibilities. The degrees you hold are not just credentials, they are tools to build a better Kenya and a better world. True leadership is measured by service. True success by the lives that you will uplift, and true greatness by the integrity with which you shall live. Carry with you the values of faith, excellence, and service. Let your light shine across in different boardrooms, in different government offices, in different international organizations, in the private sector. Let them.
Our esteemed graduates, your graduation today has not come easily. You have spent countless hours of rigorous study. Your graduation today has come at a great financial cost to your parents, guardians, and sponsors, who are key players in our university support system. For these reasons, I congratulate and welcome you to play your role as productive individuals, well prepared to contribute to the growth and prosperity of our country and global economy.
Bless you all. God bless Kabarak University. God bless the people and country of Kenya that we love.
Tokenderete korigereria ensemi yechsemi mwaziri wechsemi moske Julius Migosio Gamba nigaruro kobora gochase University korigereria shikosi nabo igo amegero bakone na gochase aboro kiwo nabo igo amegiri sekorigereria amaigeria yo kogenda nari nechiro yabono iga ukwana kurwa University ya Kaimosi nigo omwaziri oyo arokiro boba bwaye anene mono asatebire onye University njiri gocha korigereria masomo nigo egati aboro kiwo bataikira amaganyo aria aganeire ase echiro yabo.
We have reached a stage where universities are just rolling out programs and giving students qualifications, but there are no demand for those qualifications in the industry or in the market. I think when we were in Mombasa the other time, we agreed that we need to link our programs to industry. A good example is in the education programs. I think out of the students that we admit to universities, I think 40% or almost thereabout take up education as a field of study. But the market only requires 35,000 teachers every year. So if we are producing 100,000 teachers every year, last year the university admitted 246,000 students. If 40% took education, that means 100,000. But the market requires only 35. So you are statisticians. So we have 65,000 every year. Accumulatively, now we have teachers that we cannot be able to mop up. We've already employed about 100,000 teachers, but still more are out there. So you need to tweak our programs for the areas in agriculture, for example, where we have less, so that we can have that balance.
The University Council plays a pivotal role in guiding the university's strategic priorities, providing good governance, fostering an environment that is conducive to learning, research, and community engagement.
Chapter kirechta Ikomi na isano na ibiri yuri Chinsa Ikomi chabono morogoba mancho morigereria nara yokore Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi asenchura yo wenye kurende haso wikirano ni ibere na waigo inyechi obotko warero nere haroni ototo nyangiri nchimna botambe ngoro kwa Caterine Nyaboga Vanessa Nyaboga kurasomo na bo imanyerio Mike Wis nera kwaneke muna chibichechi na Mario gingo ikirachira asenchura ere yo wikirano endra gutware marigererio koso borigereri borovia asemero beri ya Getembe TV kobwatia bwesemi bwego kina bwego bwimanyishinga cyonse tombera neritwire ange asekyonge weekend sana na ibere na bwego Ikomi cyamaragoba. Bye bye.
Esukuru ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College igego kwarigania ase intake ya January eyu ebwata chikosi ao bunabono Agricultural and Environment Studies, Mechanical and Automotive Engineering, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning, Welding and Fabrication na wigo ase ensema ya Building and Civil Engineering ngwegeri bale Plumbing, Masonry, Carpentry and Joinery, Building Technology, Civil Engineering na we go Water Engineering. Ase ensema ya Computing and Informatics ngwegeri bale ICT Operator, ICT Technician, Computer Packages, Cyber Security na we go na Network System Administration. Ase ensema ya Electrical and Electronic Engineering ngwegeri bale Electrical Installation na we go Electrical Engineering. Ase ensema ya Cosmetology ngwegeri bale Hairdressing we go mbabwate Fashion Design. Ase Hospitality and Tourism ngwegeri bale Food Production yani cookery na wigo Food and Beverage Production.
Asa Marieta Ngorogu James Barari Nyakundi principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College eye gotoka Alimongoni, Kitutu Masaba North Sub-County, Kitutu Masaba Constituency, Nyamira County. Abana baino bali ba college school cha class 8 wose form 4 batagiye universities acha teyo babere isiko ekiagera boniga ase Kitutu Masaba ntobwate chikose zicheme kono cy'ububundi cyonsi. Abana ngwakana bali kibese ne serikali wetera the government scholarship nkwaye go bali chiloni cyogo soma wetera help higher education loans board ne kibese cyo mwana nkwaye wale kiri kitokoroka out of pocket ekyo mwana gotumia ko menye school go lendagera na gwakana ase enyomba akomenya. Egento kende abana nkoe kubarichi constituency bursaries and even county government bursaries. Echio applications chirororo naba bunge buna bono mubungo Kitutu Masaba constituency bwana Honorable Clive Gisairo. We are committed sana aso go support abana bagocha Kitutu Masaba. Egende getangania tabiri nga mwana ndo gwense gocha Kitutu Masaba gwikawe bursary in full inta abana baito January intake ngendereta abana bali bakoso school January mwakaribishwe ndogendereta na intake na applications inchigendereta
asamange nabo okubatalira ase skuli yiga kose obakirisi migwetera sinamba cyabo 0743480999 kose 0782490068